revolve and fire sequentially. This allows extremely high rates of fire without causing the barrels to overheat and malfunction. The technology has proven so effective, the Gatling gun has been modified to provide firepower in a wide variety of aerial platforms, including a light version, the GAU-19, developed for use in the air, on the sea, and on land. First manufactured by General Electric in 1983, the GAU-19 delivers up to 2,000 rounds a minute.
The GAU-19 has got to be one of the most reliable crew-served weapons out there today. You can fire this weapon 35,000 rounds before you even have to worry about the first maintenance cycle.